This is the best moment of the year to look back at my year on YouTube and talk a bit more about the behind the scenes of some of my 2018 videos.
Nickel, on est parti mon kiki.
Voilà. Si ça tombe, c'est foutu. Hein.
C'est énervant. Et on recommence. Now let me know. Ah oui, maintenant il y a un camion qui passe. Bah oui, hein, on est dans une grande ville, qu'est-ce que tu veux?
Bonjour my fellow high-tech fans and welcome back to my channel. Glad to see familiar names and faces. And if you're new here, my name is Céline, I'm a TV journalist. If you enjoy watching high-tech reviews, tutorials and sometimes vlogs, you should consider subscribing. Why am I asking you to subscribe? Well, as you may know, the more subscribers I have, the more views I get every time I put out a new video. Mais oui, c'est important. It's very important for me. All of this goes into Google algorithm and it's a crucial factor as to how important my video is and where it will be placed in the Google listing. And that's what I want as a creator. I want my work to be seen. For instance, you remember last summer I posted a video of a challenge. Cooking challenge. I hate that.
Challenge delivered. So I think I'm gonna challenge Céline, I challenge you.
I wrote, shot and edited this video in only 4 days. It was one of my biggest achievements so far. I brainstormed with my friends and family. I met the fire brigade of my county.
Bonjour. Pardon? Ah, j'ai pas entendu, excusez-moi.
On va se retrouver en SMIC.
Ah pardon, excusez-moi.
Vous devez venir plus souvent quand vous êtes là, il y a des interventions.
And guess what? Not many of you have seen it. Oui, je sais, c'est dommage. In fact, as of today, it has less than 800 views, and some other videos that I have entitled well, or maybe the thumbnail was more appealing, took me less than 2 days to make, and it was seen by more than 25K. Go figure. So that's why I wanted to have a chat with you like a retrospective. I'd like to talk about the videos I really enjoy making and the sweat and tears I have put into those. So let's start with this challenge. It all started when Ajo, a fellow YouTube creator, has challenged me to make a crème brûlée. If you don't know it yet, let me tell you that first, cooking is not a hobby nor a passion to me, and second, I had no clue how to make that challenge look fun and entertaining to you. So I have been talking with my good friend Olivier and my husband, and they both told me, well, burn the crème brûlée. Just ask the firefighters to give you a hand. So anyway, I did it. I called them, went to the fire brigade, introduced myself and my crazy storyboard, and off we went to shoot this video.
Ça tourne? Ok, c'est bon.
Staying a couple of hours with them has taught me a lot, especially because a couple of times a day or night they are facing chaotic environment, going under lots of stress and still manage to prioritize their tasks. They asked me if I wanted to witness some of their work or their trainings. I would love to one day. I will definitely cover that topic. Two other videos I really enjoyed shooting and editing was the vlog in Nice and of course the one in Amsterdam and its surroundings. The one in Nice was awesome because I have bumped into one of my subscribers who greeted me.
I was looking for the Osmo Mobile.
Oh yes, definitely.
And I find you. And then I...
Oh, that was...
That was a great moment, and the other vlog started on a very stressful note.
Oh no, no, no. Oh no.
I lost control of my drone.
Oh my god. Oh purée. I almost crashed my drone.
So if now in 2019 you still haven't seen this video, these are on my top 3 list so far. And what about you? Do you have a video on my channel you like most? If yes, I would love to know which one it is. I had a great time chatting with you. I hope you did too. Subscribe to my channel for more video or chat like this one. Don't forget to turn on the notifications so you get notified when I upload a new video. I hope 2019 starts with a I hope 2019 starts with a positive mindset. Take care, stay healthy, and I will see you next Monday. Ciao, ciao!